Mastering nonverbal cues. Confirm your understanding. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're diving into the realm of nonverbal communication, specifically looking at how you can use nonverbal cues to confirm your understanding in a conversation. Remember, effective communication is not only about the words we use, but also how we use our body language. Nonverbal cues are a critical part of communication. They're often subtle, but they can significantly affect how our words are understood. They include things like facial expressions, body posture, gestures, eye contact, and tone of voice. In English-speaking cultures, using nonverbal cues can help us confirm our understanding and show that we're engaged in a conversation. Now, let's look at some specific nonverbal cues that can be used to confirm your understanding. Nodding. Nodding is a universal sign that shows you're following along with the conversation and understand what is being said. Eye contact. Maintaining eye contact is a powerful way to show that you're fully engaged and understand the speaker. Leaning in. This gesture indicates interest and shows that you're actively engaged in the conversation. Smiling. A smile can indicate that you're enjoying the conversation and understand the speaker. Thumbs up. In many cultures, a thumbs up is a sign of agreement or understanding. Be careful with this one, though, as it can have different meanings in different cultures. Mirroring. This involves subtly copying the speaker's gestures or expressions. It shows that you're in sync with them and can help confirm understanding. The best way to get comfortable with nonverbal cues is to practice. Pay attention to how others use these cues in their conversations and try to incorporate them into your own conversations. You can even practice in front of a mirror or record yourself to get a sense of how you're doing. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Nonverbal cues should be natural and match what you're saying verbally. That's it for today, everyone. We hope you've learned some useful nonverbal cues to confirm your understanding in English conversations. Remember, communication is not just about words, so keep practicing these nonverbal cues to become a more effective communicator. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy learning!